The Best Fit Alignment tool creates alignments using COGO points or polylines in your drawing. And what it does is it interprets that geometry to assess tangents and also then to fit horizontal curves. To create best fit alignments, you run the Create Best Fit Alignment tool. You will go and give the alignment a name and pick whether you'd like to use COGO points or a polyline as your source geometry. Here I'll pick Polyline, and once you press Create Update Alignment, the software will place in an alignment for you. However, there is a curve detection slider, and this is assessing where to apply tangents. And what you are encouraged to do is to slide this around to assess the different options for detecting tangents and curves. Once you're happy with that, there is also a tolerance slider which will fine-tune the result in terms of curves that are applied. Once you're happy with an outcome, you also have the option to limit the radius ranges. You can use the grid editor to immediately start fine-tuning, or you can close this form. If we have a look at this same approach taken with COGO points, you just need to pick the point group containing the COGO points, and you want the COGO points to be created in a directional order. So you'll see the ascending point numbers run, in this case, from west to the east. And it's otherwise the same. You'll hit Create Update Alignment, an alignment will be placed, and then you can use the slider and then finally the tolerance options to determine how you'd like to create that alignment. Once it's created, you are in total control. You can use the grid editor, you can grip edit the alignment and make any changes you see fit.